Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to make ghee rice. Let's see what are the ingredients that we require. I have taken basmati rice, that is about 3 cups, chopped onions, masalas. So these are the masalas that I am going to use. Also we need powdered black pepper and bay leaves or biryani leaves. Some cashew, some raisins, salt, also ghee. At first we are adding about 2 spoons of ghee in a cooker. Now we are adding the masalas and fry them a little. Now we are adding the onions. Make sure that you have chopped it in this way. Keep on frying until they become golden brown. Now it's time to add the powdered pepper. Mix them well. And now add the rice that you have soaked for half an hour. Mix them a little so that when we cook them, they don't stick together. Now I have added 6 cups of water to it. Now it started boiling, so I let it cook. On another pan, take a little ghee. This is for the purpose of frying. Now we are adding the nuts and the raisins that we are going to add to the ghee rice. You can fry them one by one or together as I am doing. And keep them aside. We also fry onions, that is for the purpose of garnishing. So we fry it a little more. Now after 3 whistles the rice is cooked and I am garnishing it with the onions that I have fried. Also the fried cashews and raisins. And the tasty ghee rice is ready to serve. Serve it hot and it tastes the best with kurmas. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe if you are new.